What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get more space on Dropbox or how to get more storage space. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to get more storage space on Dropbox. So basically Dropbox has a couple of options, couple of plans on which you can subscribe. Some of them are free, so we're gonna go through the process. So as you can see in the lower left corner of my screen, you can see that I'm using Dropbox Basic and I have 2 gigabytes of storage space and that I have used a little bit under 175 megabytes of that space. So how to get more storage space? So what you need to do is go to the upper corner of your screen on the account option, which is your avatar, and then go to manage account. So after it, what you need to do is, as you can see, Dropbox Basic, which is free, you can just press on upgrade. So when you press upgrade, we're gonna wait for it to load. As you can see, there are 4 plans in circulation. So as you can see, get more space and powerful features, centralize your photos, personal docs, work files, everything in a single safe place. Dropbox Plus has all the space you need with room to spare. So as you can see, what is recommended is 2000 gigabytes Dropbox Plus. And as you can see, free up your hard drive automatically, access files across all your devices, 30-day recovery and version history. So basically there is professional with 3000 gigabytes, everything in plus, and 3000 gigabytes of encrypted cloud storage, transfer file up to 100 gigabytes, and advanced sharing controls and file locking. Then we are having standard, which is 5000 gigabytes, and also it includes 5000 gigabytes of encrypted cloud storage. Centralize and organize all your team's content, monitor team activity with the admin console, and 180-day accident, theft and disaster recovery. So as you can see, you can upgrade now, in my case, for plus and professional, and I can use standard for 30 days for free. So guys, basically you can choose whatever you want and press upgrade now. So quite an easy process. Hopefully this helped you a bit. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.